hope you're having a great day. So as you've seen already from the title of this video, we're gonna be creating the classic red lipstick makeup look. So obviously we're gonna be having a red lips and very subtle eyeshadow. It's gonna be honestly super easy to create, perfect for all the parties coming up. So without any further ado, let's do this. Okay, so for this makeup look, I think I'm gonna start with the eyes and then we can do the base and all. I'm gonna prime my eyes. I'm just gonna use the concealer. This one is Conceal and Define by Makeup Revolution. I'm gonna set this in with Bacon Blood Translucent Powder by Revolution. The logo cleaned off from this part, so I've been using this a lot. I want this makeup to be super affordable as well as super easy to create. So I'm gonna go with Revolution Reloaded Iconic Eyeshadow Palette. This one costs I think like £4 if I'm correct. So we're gonna start from this like a grayish brown. I'm going as my transition color, so higher than my natural crease is. As you see, I'm just blending back and forward slightly bit higher than my crease is and adding a little bit more of this shadow on the outer corner. Next thing I'm doing, I'm taking this warm brown color and gonna add on the outer corners. So for that I'm taking a small dense brush close to the lash line first and then dragging slightly a bit up. Taking this light beige color, gonna go on the inner eye corner until the middle, basically the place where we haven't applied the eyeshadow yet. So first I backed with my finger and then I'm taking a clean brush to just blend this through. Alright, next thing I'm doing, I'm taking the eyeliner brush and this nearly black color. It's more like a super dark gray, it looks like a black. And gonna go very close to my lash line, but with the shadow, not the actual eyeliner. You can go with the actual eyeliner if you wish. I'm just gonna do with the shadow and go very close to lash line and slightly bit out to like a flick. If you want the black color to be more intense, you can spray it with a setting spray to make the brush wet, so the shadow will stick better on. But I think at first I'm gonna go just with a dry brush and see how intense the black color is, and then maybe later add a little bit. I think I'm gonna leave this like that, as I don't want it to be super intense because we're gonna go for, you know, red lips. I'm just gonna take this small lens brush that I used before in this warmer brown color and gonna go on the lower lash line, starting from the outer corner and dragging what's left to the inner eye corner. Next thing I'm doing, I'm gonna take this shimmery white color and gonna go in the inner eye corners of that. Okay, eyes are nearly complete. We just need to apply a bit of mascara and falsies. For the mascara, I'm gonna go with my current favorite. This one is PRIMARK PS Beauty 3D Lash Effect Mascara. I've been obsessed with this since I did a review video about PRIMARK's makeup. I'm lifting my eyelid because I have red eyes. And if I'm not gonna do this, all the mascara will go on my hood. Okay, mascara is on. I'm gonna apply mascara on lower lash line after I'm gonna do face, but first I'm gonna apply the magnetic falsies. These ones are the set Wake Up and Makeup by Belle in the natural. I've done a full in-depth review and how to apply this falsies video. It's up on my channel if you guys wanna check it out. Absolutely obsessed with it. It's super easy to use. So I'm just gonna put this on and then we're gonna do the rest. Okay, let's do foundation, contour and all, and then we're gonna choose the shade of a red lipstick we're gonna pair this eye with. I'm starting with Conceal and Fix Mattifying Primer. foundation, I'm gonna use the NYX Skin Stop One Stop Foundation in the natural. Let's apply mascara on the lower lash line as well, and then we can do a bit of a contour. For my contouring and highlighting, I'm gonna use the Contour and Glow palette by the Revolution, these two colors. Alright, so it's time for the red lipstick, the main part of this whole video. It's a little bit tricky, I think, to choose the correct color, to go for more orangey red or the cooler tone, more like a burgundy red. I personally prefer more of a burgundy red because I think that complements my skin tone better, and the cool tones works for me better than like a blood orange red, you know, with the orange tone. So if you have warmer undertone, I think go better for the cooler tone, but if you have cooler tone to your skin, go for the warmer tone, just to kind of balance it off, because that works better. So I had quite a few darker, like a burgundy red darts. This is like a proper burgundy red. Been obsessed actually with this by NYX lingerie in Exotic. Then I have a slip tease by NYX. This one is a glossy one. I prefer matte reds actually, or the suede is actually not too bad. This one is by NYX as well, more like a darker red, burgundy red. And then the NYX Glitter Goals, super glittery darker red, but we're gonna go more of a red. So this one I have a Flaming by the Revolution. So this red has a bit of a pink tone to it. Another red that I really like actually by the Revolution Pro, really nice burgundy red color. So this one has cooler tone than this one, that's why I would rather go for this burgundy red color. Another red which I actually really like, although this is not my like type of red, is the Ultimate Pair Urban Decay. So it's a lip liner and a lipstick in a Bad Blood. This one is a red. So this Bad Blood, I think, is like my ideal red color. It's not orange red, it's a bit cooler tone, but yet it's still red. And then another one that I've been using a lot, it's a bit warmer red, but still works perfectly with my skin tone. As you see, I used a lot, it's nearly finished. Really beautiful red color, works nicely with my skin tone, so if you are anything like me, then this might work for you as well. So for today's red lipstick, I think I'm gonna go with the Urban Decay's Bad Blood. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna line the lips. I'm gonna use this lip liner that was paired together. I'm taking the Urban Decay Matte Blend lipstick. The lipstick on and the makeup look is complete. If you're struggling to apply a lipstick, just use a lip liner brush, as that would give you a bit of more precision applying it, especially when a lipstick is so bright, you know. Or go with a liquid lipstick, as if we have this applicator, so it gives you more precision rather than going straight away with a lipstick. That would be my tip. But yeah, makeup look is complete. If you wish, you can always add a little bit of a highlighter to the middle of a lip to make it look a bit more round. I'm just gonna use my finger and add it on in the middle of a lip and then squeeze it. There you go. And the makeup look is complete. What do you guys think? You guys enjoyed watching this tutorial and you like this classic red lipstick makeup look that I created. Honestly, the eyes was super easy to create. I didn't use too many products, nothing complicated about it as well, and the eyes, you know, is just complementing the lips instead of overpowering and overstaging the red lippy, so lips can, you know, take a fair spot. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial and you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Honestly guys, I can't stress enough how important it is if you press the button to subscribe. Leave a comment down below, let me know what your thoughts on this and what you would like to see next up on my channel, and I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching and bye, have a good day guys.